Good morning, students. We'll start our synthetic fibers and plastics chapter in this rayon. We know that about natural silk, which is obtained from silkworms. Fabrics made of silk are very costly. It is not even accessible to all. Production and maintenance of silk clothes are also very difficult and time-taking process, but its texture fascinates everyone. For many years, scientists attempted to make silk artificially, and their efforts were successful. Towards the end of the 19th century, the first commercial production of artificial silk was achieved in USA in 1911, but this fiber was named as rayon only in 1924. The first rayon factory in India was established in Kerala in 1946. Where do we find rayon factories in our state? We'll discuss with the teacher. Let us now discuss how rayon is prepared. How rayon is prepared. We noted that petrochemicals are the source material for many polymers and synthetic fibers, but the source materials for rayon is wood pulp. From wood pulp you will be getting rayon. It is the only synthetic fiber obtained from the plant cellulose, so it is called as cellulose fibers. It is only the one fiber which is obtained from plant cellulose, so it is also called as cellulose fiber. If rayon is obtained from plant cellulose, then why don't we call it as natural fibers? Let us find our process of preparing rayon to decide whether rayon is natural or artificial. The cellulose that was collected from wood or bamboo pulp is treated with several chemicals. First, sodium hydroxide is added and then carbon disulfide to the cellulose. The cellulose dissolves in chemicals added to it and gives a synthetic called viscose. Viscose is forced throughout a spinneret into a solution of dilute sulfuric acid. This gives us silk-like threads. These threads are cleaned with soaps and dried. This new fiber is called rayon. So, in order to prove that rayon is a natural or artificial, what is doing first? Cellulose is collected. From cellulose, it is adding some sodium hydroxide and carbon disulfide. Okay, then it will be dissolved with the chemicals and it give viscose. To this viscose they are adding sulfuric acid. From that threads are involved. From that threads they are cleaned with soaps, and this fiber is called rayon. What do you now say, is rayon natural fiber or artificial? Artificial. Okay, some kinds of rayons are made from the short cotton fibers left on cotton seed after ginning. Rayon is cheaper than the silk and can be woven like a silk fiber. It can be dyed in the wide varieties of colors. Is rayon used only for clothes? What are the other things that are made from rayon fabric? Rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets. Rayon is mixed with wool to make carpets. Rayon is often used for fashion and home furnishing. Rayon is also found in sanitary products, diapers and bandages, and links for dressing wounds. Rayon is used over here. Okay. Rayon is not a perfect fiber to prepare all fabrics because it is made from plant cellulose. It absorbs water easily. Absorbing water makes a rayon weak and causes the fiber to break easily. Why do we combine fibers? Whenever you buy clothes or ready-made garments, observe the brand label. What do you use it? Or visit a nearby garment shop and look the labels. Record the percentage of different fibers mentioned on the labels. You may find rayon mixed with wool and cotton, polyester mixed with cotton and wool. Even nylon is mixed with polyester. What do we combine? Why do we combine? What is this process called? Any synthetic fiber can be combined with two or more fibers. This is called blending. Natural and synthetic fibers are often blended for preparing better fabric. A blend does not simply mean alternating threads of cotton and polyester. Unique and different textures can be created through blending. When a fiber is combined with other fibers, certain qualities of first fiber are combined with the quality of other fibers and gives us a blended fabric which possesses the best quality of both. Blendings help us to reduce limitations of both fibers. For example, if you consider cotton and polyester blend, cotton is comfortable to wear but it forms wrinkles. But polyester is wrinkle free. Therefore, when these two are combined, the end result is a comfortable and wrinkle free fabric. Wrinkle मतलब चिकना चिकना होना ऐसा मड़तल अंटाరు కదా cot. So why the polyester are mixed ma? If they are mixed, it will won't have any wrinkles. Is it clear? Okay, thank you students. Next class we'll discuss.